Hey guys, welcome back to another video tutorial. In this video I'm gonna teach with you how you can create a card slider using HTML, CSS and also JavaScript. So here is a project that we are going to create inside the video. So I'm able to change each card using onClick, and I'm able to change that. And also this is a responsive right now, as you can see, right? And when you change the position of the browser, right? So we are going to create that step by step. So I'm opening my code editor. Inside the code editor I have index.html, style.css and 4 images. We're gonna use Google Fonts, so I'm gonna select the pop-ins. I'm gonna show you from scratch and get that, and also I will use box icons. So the first thing we need to get the pop-in fonts like 400. So I'm gonna get that, paste on there, and I'm gonna add the usage of like this one. So I need to get that and add inside there. I also have included style.css, so we don't need to add that inside my project. So let's create a cards. So I call container, and then I'm gonna add that will be card content, right? So inside the card content I'm gonna add the cards. Inside the cards we're gonna create a cards, means we're gonna add the images content inside the cards. So we're gonna use the image img, first img image 1, and then I'm gonna add that will be title. This will be h2. I'm gonna use Walter White. Then outside of the title div I'm gonna add that will be content. So this is the position, chief executive officer. Then I'm gonna add the social icons. Inside the div I'm gonna add that will be icons like bx, bxl, Facebook, circle. Then I'm gonna get that and change that to Twitter, and then I'm gonna get that will be add that will be LinkedIn, get that and add it will be Instagram, alt. So let's see output of that on the browser. So we are able to see the simple image and content. So let's get start to add the styles inside my project. So reset the property, padding 0, margin 0, and you need to use box sizing, border box, and also I'm gonna add that font family will be pop-ins sans serif. So let's see, right? Then I'm gonna add that will be body tag, and I want to display my content in the center, so I just need to select the body tag and use display flags, align item center, justify content will be center, and we need to add the min height, or you can use height as you want. So I'm going to use 100 VH, and then I'm going to add the background will be 34495E. This is darker. So let's see, right? Our content has been appear inside the center of the page. Then I'm going to select my container. So the first thing, you need to assign the width. You can assign any width as you want. In my case, I just assign 1440 pixels. And then I'm going to display the content in the center of the page. So I use margin auto 0 and auto. And also I'm going to use the background. I just show you one by one. 5D, 6D, 7E. So let's see. Right, so this is the background behind the content header background. I'm going to show you in a minute how you can manage that. And I'm going to select the container. Inside the container header image, so I'm going to use display block, and I'm going to use width will be 80%, and then I'm going to use object fit cover. So let's see. Right, behind the content header background right now, as you can see. And then I'm going to select my card container, card content. Just I'm going to use display flags, and I will create a many cards, but this time I'm just use one card. And then we're gonna use that to display every card in the same line or in the same row. Then I'm gonna select the card. I'm gonna use width 100%. So can't see any changes, but we will manage it step by step. So this is a card. I think I have a cards, right? So cards, right. So I will use this one title inside my image. So I need to use the position relative inside the card, right? Then I select the cards. Inside the cards have a title class. So I need to use position will be absolute, and then I'm going to use bottom will be 0 and left will be 0. And also I'm going to add the background will be RGBA 250, 255, 255, 255, and then opacity of this 0.7. right, as you can see. Right, okay guys, so I think we need to check the, okay, we will work on that on later. This time we just leave that. So the next thing, I'm gonna add the width of the title will be 80% that I have assigned on above, like image 80% to make that. But why I can't see? Okay, I'm gonna use text align will be center, and I'm gonna also add padding top and bottom 0.4 rem, and also I'm gonna add card content padding top and bottom 6 rem, left and right 2.5 rem. So I think we need to perfect, right, as you can see the text has been appear inside the image, but I think we need to manage it. Just a minute. Container display block 80%, object fit card content display flags card. Okay, we will work on the card content. So select the cards, just select the content. So in the content, I'm going to use background will be white, text align will be center, and then we need to use position will be absolute, because I used the position absolute on there, right, as you can see. And then we need to use the padding top and bottom 1 rem, left and right 0, and we need to add the width 80% that I have used on earlier, like this one, and I have used same width on the image. So let's see. Right now we are able to see the image, title and some text. Last thing I need to add that will be social sharing icons. We need to set up that, so I use display flags. Justify content will be space between, and width we need to use 100%. I need to use fading top and bottom 0.5 rem, left and right 2 rem. Align item I need to use center, and I just need to use font size 1.5 rem. Finally, you need to select the icons tag and use color will be 34495E and cursor will be pointer. That's it. Right. Okay, why? I think something is wrong on my social icons. This is my mistake right now, as you can see. Perfect. So this is our card, so we need to round it the top of the corners of the image. So we need to use the image, so I need to use about radius 10 pixel 10 pixel 0 and 0. So let's see. Right, so this is our card, so we need to make a more than 3 cards, more than 4 cards. So I need to use this, select this one card, and second card, third card, fourth card. Right, so this is first image, second image, third image and fourth image. So let's see. Right, perfect. And then we need to change the names. So I just changed the names, and this will be Sarah Johnson, and this will be product manager, and this will be William Anderson, and this is position be CTO, and finally I will use the accountant, and this will be name is Amanda Gibson. So let's see. Right, perfect. So last thing we need to set up it our space, means also a top space, but I want to make a down space on the each curve. So we need to select the container, use padding bottom for rem. So let's see. Right, here is space. So the next thing is very important. I want to move that with on click. So I will use the library sweeper.js. So you need to get that and click to demo, and inside the demo you need to select the infinity loop with slider, and you need to select this one section, infinity loop with slider per group. Select the core style. Inside the style you need to get the link tag, copy it and paste inside your project. So this is a sweeper.js. Then the next thing you need to get that will be JS code. Also you need to add this copy, and you need to get that paste on there. Okay, what happened on there? Okay, I think we need to just a minute, it's a mistake. So we need to get the script code, copy and paste on there. right? And then you need to get this one code also, copy and paste on there. And last thing you need to do, you need to add the classes inside your project. So you need to copy the first one, class, and go to your main content. So this is your container. Inside there you need to paste the first one, class, and you need to get the second one, class, and paste on the second one, div. So last thing you need to get that super slide and paste on there. On each card you need to paste super slide, and that's it. Let's see, right? Let's set up it with our JS. So I want to display the slide 3, but this will be group 1, right? And also you will manage it space between. I want to make a space on each box or each card have a 25, and you are able to see, right? And I want to display that will be fat true and center slide true, and I want to display the cursor, movable cursor. So I use grave cursor true. First I'm going to show you. So let's see. Okay, I think something's wrong on the cursor. So let's see, as you can see. And also I will add the pagination. So I need to get the last one div, and we need to select my main container div. Inside there I need to pass that. So let's see. Right now I'm able to see the dots, or you can say that pagination. So let's fix this one. I want to display this will be dynamically. So I use inside the pagination section. You need to use dyna bullets true. So let's see, as you can see, right, everything is clear on there. Let's fix this one issue on responsive mode. So I'm gonna get that. This is not responsive right now, but we will fix that using our script code. So the large screen size is 1440 pixel. Right now I'm gonna show you. So this is the large screen size where you want to display the 2 slides. You need to add the number. Let me show you. So this is a comma, navigation comma. After the navigation comma, you need to use break points, colon, curly brackets. You need to use comma. Inside there you need to use 0, means in the small screen size I want to display the slide per view 1, comma, and I want to display 2 slides in 768 pixel on the screen of the browser. So I use slide per view column 2, and also you need to use comma. Then where you want to display the 3 slides or 3 cards, so I use 968 pixel. Whatever you want to use the size on there, I just show you one by one, and use 3, comma, and also you need to use comma there. So and let's see. Right now I'm able to see 2 slides. I'm able to see 1 slides. right? 2 slides, and this is the 3 slides. So I hope you understood as well how you can create a card slider using this super JS. Thank you very much for watching. Have a nice day, guys.